Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you guys how to create a strawberry makeup which is so trendy these days. First things first, you have to prep our skin really well to get our skin hydrated, glowing, and our skin can look so flawless with the makeup. So for this makeup I have used aloe vera gel and a moisturizer to prep my skin, and you can also use sunscreen as I was shooting at night, so I didn't use that. After the skincare, I am using the Alcohol primer. This helps my makeup to stay long lasting. Now I am brushing my eyebrows naturally with a spoolie, and then I am using a Milani concealer. This is so good and full coverage concealer. I am using so little bit of concealer in the required places. This gives makeup so natural effect. And I am blending with the damn beauty blender. After that, I am using Maybelline lipstick as the blush. So the main part of this makeup look is blush. Using it in the nose to give the sun-kissed look. Now I am using powder blush to set my liquid blush so it doesn't get removed all day. I'm using same blush palette as our eyeshadow, so I'm blending it really well into my eyes. And I just gave a little bit of a smoky look with the black eyeshadow. Now I am setting my makeup with a loose powder all over my faces. After curling my eyelashes, I am using Alcohol mascara. Now I am using highlighter all over my faces to give a glowing effect. I'm using Alcohol lip liner and then Maybelline lipstick. So we are done with the makeup, and the last step is setting spray, and I'm using it of Ali Cosmetics. So that's it for today's guys. I hope you like this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys